Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP content channel. So today we are going to talk about March month event. So I think there is a good idea to get good sale on Amazon. So if you are looking a evergreen niche, so this video is only for you. So we open Word file and our first March event is March 1 event. First one is baby sleep day. First one is baby sleep day, and now second one is endometriosis awareness day, and third one is International Women's of Color Day. International Women of Color Day. So these three event are for March 1. So first March uh, event is baby sleep day. Second one is endometriosis awareness day, and third one is International Women of Color Day. And March 2nd, now March 2nd event. The first one is National Weather Persons Day. National Weather Persons National Weather Persons Day. American Citizenship Day, and third one is International Rescue Cat Day, and next one is National Read Across America Day. So these are our event for 1st March and 2nd March. So how you can search, how you can find out a book, a profitable book with this, using this niche. So how you can search on Amazon, how you can find out a profitable niche with this event. So first one is baby sleep day. So we can search on Amazon baby log baby logbook or baby coloring book. You can find out a lot of uh, book. So, and another I can show you, that is rescue cat day. So we can search rescue cat. You can search niche only, rescue cat coloring book for kids, rescue cat coloring book for adult, whatever you can search. Here you can find a unique niche idea. There is a rescue. So rescue cat logbook, rescue cat journal. You can search in this way, whatever you can search in this way. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon when I can share my new videos, new niche, new ideas on KDP. So I also upload t-shirt or pod print on demand business related video. um, I also upload in my channel. So recently I start print on demand business. So if you need pod related or t-shirt related video, please comment my video. So thank you so much. Thank you all.